What's up, fellow trader? Welcome to J Trading Live. If you're ready to start trading smart, you've come to the right place. So let me give you a quick tour of how the site can work for you. First, in the upper right corner, you'll notice the Dow Daily and 60-minute chart perspective. This serves as a helpful gauge each trading day to let you know the technical sentiment of the market as a whole. Bullish, extra bullish, bearish, extra bearish, and if there's no marker at all, then the chart is neutral. The market perspective is important in that you want to be trading in the direction the market is moving. That usually equals a happy trader. On a final note, the daily chart will always outweigh the 60-minute chart, but quick trades can be made for a nice profit even when their perspectives differ. Next, below the chart perspective is the recent trades box. These are trades from the hit list that have already been taken and closed. I don't hide trades. This is where you can always find the recent results of the service. Now to the glitter and gold, the watch box and hit list. The research has been done. A handful of stocks mined from thousands will appear in the watch box each trading day before the market opens. These are the stocks that have technically presented themselves as worth following for the day. They are the stocks that have the potential to hit certain indicators either on the daily or 60-minute chart, triggering a trade either long or short. Not every stock in the watch box will make it to the hit list and become a trade. In fact, more stocks probably will not become trades than will. It is not a trade until a stock from the watch box makes it to the hit list. Discipline to wait for a trade is essential. Some days there may be so many trades you couldn't possibly take them all. Some days only a few, and on rare occasions there may not be any. That's just the market being the market. So, for example, it's 9:15 a.m. January 5th, 2012. You log on to jtradinglive.com, and first you'll notice the Dow Daily Chart perspective is bullish and the Dow 60-minute chart perspective is bullish. So we're primarily looking for stocks to go long with. Log on to the member page, and you want to read through today's market notes. And you'll scroll down and you'll see that the watch box is full of stocks to watch, and there are no stocks in the hit list. There can't be because it's only 9:15 and the market hasn't opened yet, so of course no stocks from the watch box have hit any technical triggers to send them to the hit list. Let's look at the first one, FFIV. We found this on a 60-minute chart. Possibly somewhere during the course of the day, FFIV is going to hit technical indicators that are going to trigger on the 60-minute chart to go long. If this happens, FFIV would move to the hit list. The same with CMI, except this time we're looking at a daily chart on CMI for the technical indicators to trigger going long, and if that were to happen, we would move it to the hit list. So now it's 9:30, the stock market opens, and I start watching the stock charts of the stocks in the watch box. At 10:33 a.m., Helmrich and Payne, symbol HP, triggered at $62 on the 60-minute chart. Bam, there it is on the hit list. This will instantly be posted to the live member chat room. HP triggered 10:33 a.m., $62, 60-minute chart, long. And a real-time email alert will be sent out to members. Hitbox Trade Alert, HP, triggered at 10:33, $62, 60-minute chart, long. Entry to this trade is valid at or near this time, at or near this price point. You're going to have to use your own judgment for that. These emails are going to go out live. If you don't catch your email until 10:45 and the price of the stock now is at $62.15, you're still okay to get into this trade. But if you don't check your email until 11:30 and the stock's now at $63, you've missed that trade. There'll be more, but real-time email alerts, live chat room posts, and the hit list is all going to come instantaneously to the stock triggering. As the day goes on, more stocks from the watch list trigger to the hit list and post to the live chat room. Any stock posted to the hit list is a trade that I myself would have the confidence in taking. But I won't take them all. That's too many trades to manage when real money is at stake. You can find out more about my trading rules and guidelines in the Day Trading 101, About Me, and Trade Smart sections of the website. So you're in a trade you found on the hit list. Now what? Well, that depends. If it's a trade on a daily chart, you can expect the trade to last anywhere from 1 day up to a couple weeks. If it's a trade on the 60-minute chart, you can expect it to last anywhere from 1 hour up to a few days. However closely you monitor your trades is up to you, but very rarely does a trade move completely in a straight line in the direction you want it to go. You have to trust that your entry is smart. Exit when you are happy with your gain, but don't be too greedy. Or exit when you can't stomach any further loss, but don't be too fearful. I will post when I would exit each trade from the hit list in the live member chat room beneath the chat box, but ultimately, that decision is yours based on your own personal goals and circumstances. By signing up and becoming a member, these decisions should become much easier for you to make as your market knowledge grows through my educational videos and general market notes, both exclusive to members. Sound good? Alright, visit the sign up page, try me free for 2 weeks, and trade smart.